Hello. I was watching Unlisted Leaf, and he was opening these PokeCollect packs, and it seemed very cool. And so I went ahead and ordered a master pack from them, and I wanted to see what's inside. So we're I've never seen this. I'm very, very excited, and I'm hoping that we get a good pack. There's one random pack. It goes from this current era all the way to vintage. All right, we've got a Fusion Strike, a Pokemon Go. Whoa! Oh, hold on. That I can't see. I think. All right, I don't know what that is. Astral Radiance, Lost Origin, and Silver Tempest. So this is from the Ultra tier. It seems cool. I don't. All right. Let's see. Oh my gosh, we got a black and white pack. Plasma Blast. Ooh, and a cool card holder. So wow. All right. So that is a 1 out of 10 pack. That is awesome. Close to like base set in that. We're gonna open this last. But I can't believe our luck on that. That is amazing. And for a first time doing this is pretty awesome. Yeah. It's just awesome that we got a black and white pack. Wasn't expecting that at all. All right, Shaman. Time for the Lost Origin. Wow. So you should definitely go and check out PokeCollect. It's a very cool site. It has great prices, and I've seen that it's just like awesome to open. I mean, it's right here. It's, oh wow, a Parasect and a Buffalont. All right. Yeah, it's just awesome to open. Very fun site. And I would definitely recommend ordering from it. Yeah. Worker, Dracoig, Dreepy, Vulpix, Amongla, Chimchu, Baneri, and Talonflame. Alright, so good code card there. Leaf Energy, Candelia, Lunatone, Rare Candy, Charmander, Apom, Bulbasaur, Kadov, Magikarp, Wimpod, and Conkeldurr V. Alright, that was the Pokemon Go pack. We're sort of flying through this. I just want to get to the black and white. Oh wow. Alright, good code card. Water Energy, Farewell Bell, Sincere, Frosmoth, Koffint, Sandshrew, Mudkip, Glucifer, Wooloo, Heatmore, and Excellier. Alright, I'm gonna be careful with this. It's from black and white. This is amazing. Oh wow, that was very brittle. Oh gosh. Alright, since I don't know what this code card is, if it's good or not. I think it's a 4. Oh gosh. Nope. There's the rare. Alright, Suicune. Oh gosh, that's the rare. Alright, so there's a Suicune, Ursaring, Plume Fossil. Oh wait, I think those two are the rares. Snorunt, Aaron, Muna, Larvesta, Surskit, and wait, what? Alright. I'm a little confused here. So it went like this. It would have been like that. Yeah, well, I haven't opened up Black and White really, so I don't understand it. But still, this has been an awesome opening. We got some good cards. We got some Black and White, and I think that's just the best part. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.